Hey everybody, it's Scott Golden with Simmons Floorcovering and Total Renovations. People always want to come in and ask, how can I know I'm getting a good carpet against stains? In a case like this, we recommend that you use a solution dyed product and not a standard dye product. Solution dyed products are built like a carrot. The color goes all the way through. And a regular dye product works more like a radish where the color is just on the outside. I'm gonna pour some bleach on both of these products. This one is a solution dyed product. I'm gonna pour some bleach right on top of it. Let that sit. I'm gonna pour some bleach on a standard dyed product, just like that. We're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's been about an hour. Here's our standard dyed product where you can see where the bleach left a stain. Here's our solution dyed product where the color is just as good as it was when it began. So if you're looking for a good carpet against stains, make sure you choose a solution dyed product. And if you're looking for carpet right now, it's a great time to buy. At Simmons Floorcovering, we're offering 15% off carpet materials through the month of April. So give us a call, and remember, don't buy floors from big box stores.